Good morning, students. Yesterday we saw the first stanza of the poem Confessions of a Born Spectator. To recall the paragraph, the poet says that each and every children like to have some individual games. One is fond of horse riding and another chooses basketball or hockey, and some hates and some plays. But he is willing only to be a spectator and he don't want to participate in any sports. Even though he was a spectator, he was very much happy of being a watcher of the game. Now we can go to the second stanza. With all my hearts I do admire athletes who sweat for fun or hire, who take the field in gaudy pomp and maim each other as they roam. My limp and bashful spirit feeds on other people's heroic deeds. We can see the meanings of the words. Gaudy pomp, that means showy dresses or colorful or attractive dresses. Maim means injure. And romp means play in a rough way, vigorously playing. Limp means weak. And bashful means shy or reluctant or unwilling to do something. And the heroic deeds means brave actions or heroic actions done by the players or the players' brave activity. Now we can see the stanza. With all my heart I do admire athletes who sweat for fun or hire, who take the field in gaudy pomp and maim each other as they roam. My limp and bashful spirit feeds on other people's heroic deeds. He wholeheartedly admires the athletes. Here, I refers to the poet and he says that the players sweat for fun or hire. Fun means we know enjoyment or joyful. And others may play for money, that is for profession, by making money in it. So, even though they play for entertainment or money, the poet admires them very much and loves them very much. Who take the field in gaudy pomp and maim each other as they roam. Here gaudy pomp means, I said, colorful dresses. We can see the players in the shows or and the playing sports. In watching TV also we see that they wear colorful dresses for cricket, hockey and attractive dresses they wear. The players wear different dresses. So when they enter into the field, here it is the playground. They are wearing colorful dresses to attract the audience and maim each other as they romp. Romp means playing in a rough way. Here, they refers to the athletes or the players or sports person, and when they are playing, they play in a rough way so that they injure one another while they are playing vigorously. And the fifth line, my limp and bashful spirit feeds. Now, the poet says that my limp and bashful spirit, that is, the poet's own spirit, is weak, and bashful means shy and reluctant or unwilling to do something. So, his body and also his spirit is very weak in order to play, and also he is very shy and unwilling to participate in any of the sport. And he admits that he confesses that his spirit is very weak and shy, and he was very reluctant, unwilling to participate there. And in the sixth line, on other people's heroic deeds. So, watching the other people's, that is, the players' brave activity, his bashful spirit, his spirit, his soul is weak and very shy to participate there by seeing their players playing in a rough way. Heroic deeds, brave activity played by the players. He is watching the players playing the brave adventures, and his own spirit is happy and he is rejoicing on their brave activity. He clearly admits that he is rejoicing of being only a spectator, and he is very happy in that. So he admires the players wearing colorful dresses, and by injuring one another, his spirit was so weak and he is unwilling to participate in the sports. And he is very much rejoicing on the people's heroic deeds. Here, the rhyming scheme, as before the first stanza, the first line ending is admire and the second is high. So that is A, and the third and fourth pomp, romp, that is B, and the feats and deeds is C. So the rhyming scheme is A, B, and C. And the rhyming words are admire, hire, pomp, romp, feats, deeds. So he was very much happy on being only the spectator. We can see the third stanza in the next class. Thank you.